Oh, there she is. Joe from Joe's Golden Garage. What's happening, everybody? I've got a couple of guys, Fulton and Kyle, a couple of my truck guys that like to see the old trucks. So I thought I'd do just a real quick update and a little drive of the 97 Ford F-150. This was my parents' company's work truck. They sold the company, they've retired, and out of all the trucks that went with the sale of the business, they kept this one. Probably because it was the nicest one out of the fleet. It's a 97, and oh, I put a seat cover. Look at that. Just a cheap Walmart seat cover because the vinyl had started to tear right here like they all do. But why this one is the best one of the bunch is this right here. Let's get this baby fired up. 117,000 miles. I don't think you can see that. It's kind of dim. A 1997 with 117,000. So this truck was used the least and was not used for heavier, type work. It's not beat up. It's not dented up. It's almost a little bit of a little cream puff. She's dirty, but I think with just a little wash and wax, she could shine up like a new penny. Okay. She does have that typical old Ford truck squeak. You'll hear it in a minute. It's a squeak. Hear that? Comes from the front end somewhere. But regular cab, long bed, two-wheel drive, got ice cold AC, got a stereo, and hell, that's it. That's all you need. But I have always liked this old truck. 4.2 6-cylinder, man, makes plenty of power. Awesome get up and go. I mean, it's not a quarter of a mile drag truck, but man, it is very, very peppy for what it is. And this will be a truck that'll be around for years and years and years to come. Probably long after my parents are gone, I'll probably have it as my old backup work truck. I'll go up here and do a 0 to 60 and do a little quiet ride for my boys that were wanting some old truck. So I'll shut the hell up. Someone slid a V8 under the hood. That was not even full throttle, guys. That was about 3/4. A few people have inquired about the LS430, the 2006. It is tucked away up in Blue Ridge at the lake house in a custom-made car cover for her. Ever since the little tree incident and the body work and paint work on the bumper, front bumper, and making the car look as new again, it has been tucked away in the garage under a car cover at the lake. So, not sure when we will see it come out of hibernation. It's been there for over 2 weeks now. So, I know my mother, the other Ford diesel truck, has got a utility trailer hooked up to it. She's headed down to the beach for 2 months. I will be traveling down there to the beach next week to spend Thanksgiving holiday week. And I don't know. I don't know when we'll see the Lexus again. It might be first of the year, sometime, whenever the hell she comes home. So, but anyway, guys, appreciate you watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Please throw a comment. Please throw a like. It helps the algorithm. Appreciate y'all. Y'all have a good night. And Kyle Fulton, here's your truck video that now has low fuel. Y'all have a good night. We'll see y'all. Peace.